Before I start this video, if you don't already know, please leave a comment down below letting me know how old you think I am. How old you think I just turned. I know that a lot of you will probably know how old I am, but I'm really interested to see if you are new here and you actually have no idea how old I am. How old do I look? How old do you think I am? So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday it was my birthday. I'm filming this on Wednesday. My birthday was Tuesday on the 11th of February. And a lot of you guys actually asked on my Instagram picture if I would do a what I got for my birthday haul. I've done quite a few of these now. I definitely did one last year. I am really nosy and like watching other people's what I got for my birthday videos, so I thought I would do one myself. It's also quite nice for me to look back on these videos and see how much I change each year in these. The first thing that I got myself for my birthday, I went to Brighton over the weekend with my family and it was really nice, and I went into Beyond Retro, which is one of my favourite vintage shops. Got myself another wolf jumper because clearly I needed another sweatshirt. I have this weird thing about vintage jumpers with wolves on them. I've got 3 of them now and they're all vintage and from like random shops all over the place. And yeah, I kind of really love them. Oh, I also got this as well. As soon as I walked into the store, this was the first thing that I saw in front of me. It is a Taylor Swift Reputation t-shirt, which I don't have. I got a white one when I went to the Reputation tour in the summer. Not in this summer. Wait, it was last summer. And this was on sale and therefore $17.95 when I think at the tour the t-shirts were maybe like 30 or 35 pounds, I can't remember. And then I think this one was like 30 pounds, which is quite expensive for a secondhand jumper, but I feel like vintage shops are just getting more expensive, like more and more expensive, especially like in London and Brighton. If anyone knows of any affordable vintage shops, please let me know. So that was like my little treat to myself for the weekend. I'm gonna start off with what I got from my parents. A lot of this stuff is probably gonna seem really like not interesting to a lot of you, but because I am moving soon, by the way, I still don't have a moving date. It is taking forever. Because I'm moving soon, I obviously got a few house bits because they're what I actually need. So the main thing that I got from my parents was a kettle, because I need a kettle to make some hot drinks. The first thing that, you know, happens most of the time when you invite somebody round is you say, do you want a cup of tea, coffee? I don't even drink tea or coffee, really, but I do drink hot chocolate and I just need a kettle really because I can't invite people round and not offer them a hot drink. Maybe that's just a British thing, but this one is just, you know, a kettle. Which I was very happy with because that means that I don't have to then buy one of those myself. Oh, another thing I want to mention that my parents got me. My dad actually picked this out, which I thought was really nice because, I don't know, I feel like, well, my parents definitely do have like combined efforts with picking presents, but normally with like jewellery and stuff, I don't know, I don't often get things that were chosen by my dad. He picked out for me this tiny little elephant necklace, which is so cute and it works perfectly with all of my other layered necklaces. This one is actually silver, but I do wear a mixture of silver and gold, and I love it. I think it's so cute. It's just a plain super dainty necklace with this tiny elephant charm on it, and I just think it's adorable. There is a website on the inside of the box that says essentialjewelers.com. The next 2 things that they got me are some pans, like cooking pans, because again I'm gonna need some of these. I did get some home bits for Christmas, but I don't actually have any frying pans or anything like that, so they got me this one, which is by a brand called Zillis. It's black and speckly, and that's about all I can say about it. Also, it's non-stick. Apparently you need no oil or butter, so I'll believe that when I see it. And then the second pan that they got me is this one, which is by a brand called Berghoff. But this is going to be so good for making like curries and stuff in, which I love. And it has a lid which has got a like slit in it, so you can hold this and like drain the water out if you're doing like vegetables or something, so that will be really handy. Thank you Mum and Dad for super useful presents that I will actually use, because I feel like that's just the type of stuff I need in my life at the moment. They also got me this, which is a mini umbrella. The brand is called Rumbrella. There is a specific reason for this. It also came in a case that you can turn into a shopping bag. This was because if you guys follow my second channel, you would have seen that when I reached 1 million subscribers, I actually treated myself to a designer bag. But it is quite small and I can't fit my regular umbrella in it, and I'm the type of person that likes to carry everything in their bag. I will have like paracetamol, ibuprofen, sanitary towels, tampons, plasters, spare contact lenses, ketchup, chewing gum, lip balm, pretty much all of the essentials. And I always like to have an umbrella just in case I get caught in the rain. My dumbass bought a really small bag. It is very handy to have a small umbrella that actually does fit into my bag, which I'm very happy about. And if you guys wanted to see an unboxing on this, which is like my baby, it is over on my second channel. And then the final thing that they got me is just in this little card right here, and it is a £25 H&M voucher. H&M is probably one of my favourite places to shop. I'm very excited to spend that. I will probably spend it on, I've got a black puffer coat, but they also do the same one in a light grey, and I've kind of had my eye on that, so I'm going to use this for that. So thank you, Mum and Dad. Next I'm gonna do what my brother and his girlfriend got me. So they got me these two beautiful coasters. Now is the time where I really need to not drop stuff on the floor. So these are actually some pink quartz coasters. Yeah, I think you can see them pretty well on camera, and they've got gold detailing all around the side of them. I think these are beautiful, and in my house I'm actually planning to have an underlying sort of like gold detail theme. I want to have like a mixture of different like textures and what's the word, like materials, I guess. But I'm very keen on having like bits of wood, some plants, some highlights of gold. So yeah, I love these. I think they're gorgeous, and they were from a store on Etsy which is called Shop Open Heart XO. So thank you so much to my brother and his girlfriend for these coasters. Then I actually got a birthday present from Benefit, which was so nice of them. They sent me a box which did actually arrive on my birthday, and in here, oh god, it was so hard to get the lid off. It's one of them. I just bent my nail. It's one of those boxes where like the lid kind of slides off, but it's really tight. Come on. I need 2 pairs of hands. I can't do it. Oh, there we go. And they gave me a little card that says, "Birthday hun, messy bun, enjoy and have fun." And it says, "To Sophie, wishing you the happiest of birthdays and a year of well-being. Love, your Benefit family." Which is so sweet of them. The first thing that was in here was actually, you would have seen this if you follow my Instagram, a pair of Boo Avenue pyjamas. And, wait, where is it? Oh wait, those are the trousers. It's got my name on it. So this is the top. It's a pair of black, silky, long-sleeved pyjamas, which I did actually wear most of the day yesterday and felt super bougie. My mum actually came home and she came into the room and she was like, "Ooh, very bougie." I was like, "Mum, when did you add the word bougie into your vocabulary?" But they have, instead of having buttons, they've got a tie that you tie up, and then the bottoms are just matching. They are black with the white piping down like around the top and then around the bottom as well, and they are just so comfy. They've got an elasticated waistband, and then also as well there's a few more things in this box. They gave me one of these slip silk pillowcases, which, oh my god, these are so nice. I have one already which I got sent from Cult Beauty, I think. These are flipping expensive pillowcases because they're silk, but honestly, sleeping on a silk pillowcase, 1, makes you feel like a bougie bitch, and 2, they don't absorb as much of your skincare products. They don't make your hair go as knotty. They're so nice. There was also a slip sleep mist in here, which I cannot wait to try. There is a happiness planner, and then the final 3 things that are in here are obviously some Benefit brow products. We've got Gimme Brow Plus, we've got the brow conditioning primer, and we've got Precisely my brow pencil. So thank you so much, Benefit. That was so sweet of you. And then the final bits are from James. So, wait, where is it? The first thing that he got me is this gorgeous jumper. Okay, on camera, this is just turning into one big blob. This is from Topshop, and it is a knitted black chunky knit roll neck jumper. Basically, the other week I was going to an event and I had this outfit in my head where I wanted to wear leather trousers and a black chunky knit jumper, and then I realised that I don't actually have a black jumper that's not a sweatshirt, so I just really wanted one, and I did give James some help with this. I did send him a link to one that I liked, but I love this. I think he got it on ASOS, but it is the Topshop brand. And I did actually wear this yesterday when I went out for dinner. Thank you very much, James. He also got me an attachment for, well, 2 attachments technically for my Dyson Airwrap. This is the long barrels, which are the 30mm width. To be honest, I think that Dyson should have just started out selling the Airwrap with longer barrels. They look a little bit weird when I just hold them like this, I'm not gonna lie. But these are the attachments that go onto the top of the Airwrap. The original ones are a bit shorter, so obviously me having like long hair, you can't fit as much of your hair around them. By the way, my hair today isn't actually curled with the Airwrap. I did treat myself to some heat yesterday. But yeah, these are the attachments that go on the Airwrap, which are for longer hair. He also got me this colour changing gin infusing kit, which I'm very excited about. And when we move out, I'm gonna be using this probably, I don't know, we might have like a cocktail party with our friends or something, or maybe just one evening we will crack this out, because I was talking about, there's a place in London called The Alchemist. I think they actually have them everywhere, which is a really nice cocktail bar, and they have all these colour changing cocktails and like really cool cocktails. And so this is a kit where you can make your own colour changing cocktails, and it's got all this, actually I'm not going to get it out because that will be a mess, but yeah, that's pretty cool. He also got me a giant bar of Galaxy chocolate. I love Galaxy chocolate, it's my favourite, and I now have enough to last me a day. And then also as well, last night James took me out for dinner, which was so nice, and we went for Thai food, which is one of my favourites, and yeah, it was really nice. So thank you so much, James, if you're watching. Oh, and then from his parents, they got me this piece of paper, which there's no point in me actually like showing this because then somebody could steal it, but they got me a voucher to go to Gaucho, which is one of my favourite steak restaurants. I love steak. Steak is like my favourite meal, steak and chips. So me and James have got a sharing steak for 2 with 2 sides and 2 sauces at Gaucho, which is a really nice steak restaurant. I cannot wait for that. I was so excited when I opened this because I haven't had a good steak in ages, and Gaucho is like such a nice restaurant, so I'm so excited about that. So thank you to James's mum and dad. I know that his mum sometimes watches my videos, so thank you. I cannot wait to enjoy my steak. And then lastly, from my grandparents, they very kindly gave me some money, and they said either spend it on something for myself or spend it on something towards the new house. And then from my aunt and uncle and like my cousins and everything, they got me a Next gift card, which is to get some stuff also for the new house, because Next have got a really nice home department, so I'm very excited to spend this and like get some nice little like bits and bobs to go around the house. So yeah, that was the last thing that I got for my birthday. And I am actually seeing my 2 best friends on the weekend. We're going for brunch, and I'm gonna get pancakes and bacon and maple syrup probably. So yeah, I haven't seen my 2 best friends yet, but that is everything that I got for my birthday. So I got some very useful things, I got some really nice things. Like, it was a really nice mix of having stuff that is useful and then also having stuff to like treat myself to. Like, I've got a couple of vouchers to spend, which is amazing. Honestly, I know that some people find vouchers boring. I love having vouchers for stuff. So yeah, I was very spoiled. I had a lovely birthday. Thank you so much to those of you that like left me birthday messages on my Instagram and Twitter. I had so many nice messages, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm very excited to see what the next year holds, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little birthday haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!